Assalamu alaikum everyone. So how are you all? I hope you guys are pretty fine, doing very well. So here I'm back again with a very beautiful, very minimalistic collection of henna designs for fingers. So if you are looking for new and latest modern style, minimalistic style Mehndi designs, henna tattoo designs, so this video is going to be very useful for you. There are a lot of beautiful designs that I have just added in this video of minimalistic style Mehndi. So here's a huge variety of designs for those people who love simple and easy Mehndi designs. So I hope that you will love this awesome collection, and I must suggest you guys that for more designs, for more ideas, just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas to explore in this video, and I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. So if you're just loving these beautiful and amazing designs, and if you want to be updated by the latest Mehndi designs ideas on daily basis, so my channel is all about latest Mehndi designs, henna tattoo designs, bridal heavy style Mehndi designs for hands and feet, and many more. So you can visit my channel and check the previous collections. I hope that those collections will also be helpful for you. And if you're just loving these designs, so don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos, and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section to tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel. Which type of videos are more useful for you. Please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you.